Hello everyone, today I am here with a demonstration for solving a mirror cube. Yes, mirror cube and Rubik's cube as well. So if you know how to solve if you know how to solve a Rubik's cube, you should also know how to solve a mirror cube. It is as simple as possible. Like what? Just leave it. So many of the questions have how to solve a mirror cube. Some of the people don't buy this Rubik's cube but buy mirror cube at the first. So no problem, I am here for that problem. Like I have a scramble over here for a mirror cube, so we can start solving it. First of all, we have to take plus, like in Rubik's cube. Some of the know. If you don't know, just see properly. In Rubik's cube, we have to take first a cross, as like we have to take a cross in them. You can have a cross anywhere you want, like anywhere. I am taking a cross. You can see. Don't copy me, because if you copy, you will never have a speed. I always prefer to have a speed for a speed cubing. Your speed cubing property should be very nice. So I am making a plus over here. You can see properly. This is a charcoal mirror cube, so you should have some little bit problem, but no matter. I will teach you. So you can see I am fingering over it like this, because we have to make a base. Like if we have to make a first color, then the other thing, we have to make a base over here. The color is as similar for the base. So the last piece we have to insert is, see, I cannot tell you how to make a plus, because we have to make the plus by ourselves. It is not that I will tell you to make a plus, like if any formula is there to make a plus. So I cannot tell you how to make a plus. I can only tell you that we have to make a plus for the starting. Just like we have made a plus. Don't see these blocks or any of the. While solving the cube, we have to focus on one single piece. So as I am seeing this piece, we have this cross over here. Now we will make a plus for red, green. You can make a plus for any color. Here I can see that green, white can become very easily. So I am making a plus for white like this. I have made it a plus. Now for this we have plus at both the side. You can see like this, plus. Now we have to match corners. This is the beginner's method which I am telling you. If you want to know the fastest method, you can see the descriptions. I have not making the video for this that, but you can see it. There are many videos on the YouTube. You can write how to solve the cube with the advanced method or the method which the speed cubers use. So here I have made it a plus, and here I have made it a plus. Now we have to make, like, we have to place the corners at the correct position so that it will become the first layer of our cube. Like this piece is matched. You can see that while fingering, you can see that there is a proper base, or we can see no upside down over here, like here also it is there. So we can say that this particular piece is placed at the correct position. Like we can place it in the color cube or Rubik's cube. We can see that we have white color which has to be placed over here, red color just placed to be here, and blue color to be here. So we can place it normally like we have to place this piece over here. We have matched. You can see it properly. In this cube you have to see the colors. You have eyes properly, you can see it, but don't finger it, because in every piece you will get the base. So we have solved one corner of both the sides. Now we can see another piece. Here I have made it a plus for the very thin layer. You can see this is a very thin layer. There are thick layers, thin layers, we have to see. So here I have taken a cross of this. So we have to use the trial and error method for this. You don't know trial and error method, I will tell you. This is my saying trial and error, but it is not so. So this thin piece we have to do the experiment by matching these pieces. So I will try to match over here. See, it is matched. It is not always if you do the trial method as if one time only you will get it. So by chance if it is over here, you can see that we can get the base, but it is not matching from this side. So you will know that this piece is at the wrong position. So this piece for over here, just like this. Now we will match the corner for another Rubik's cube. This is white, green and orange. Green center is here, orange center is here. So this piece we have to bring over this here. Normally we will match it. We can see we have matched two corners, and here also we have matched two corners. Plus is ready, plus is ready. So now you can see this piece. This is thick one, so it is not the correct piece. You can see this piece over here. This is very thin and very small. You can see there is a very small block over here, space to place the block. So this piece should be insert here. We will bring this piece to the down position over here. Now we will match it with this. For this we have to do, you can normally place, I don't know that if you don't know how to make a color on the cube, you should know how to make a color. It is by our brain, not I will tell you that you have to place it. So the similar case is over here. Now we have to place it this piece over here. So for matching it, you can do like this, matched. Now move on to the last corner piece over here, which is this piece. Same which we have done for this piece, we have to place it over here. We will do it. See, the like this we can keep. So formula is you can see we have matched we have made the top color in both the cases. Okay, and you also see that there are similar formulas, very simple and similar formulas are there for matching only the top layer. Now we will make it as a base. Like we have solved this white color, we will put it at the bottom. We have solved this side, we will place it at the bottom. Now what to do? Now we have to match this layer. Then we have to move further for solving this. In similar, we have to place this light red and green over here, green and orange over here, orange and blue. Like see, we have to twist it over. And so now don't focus, if we are solving the white color at the bottom, don't focus on yellow color, it is very wrong. So like in this case also, if you are solving this bottom with a thin sheet, don't focus on the thick blocks of the top color. It will create a big confusion. My friends have noticed, I have noticed with my friends, they are doing the wrong thing. So here I am doing with the Rubik's cube first. We have to bring this piece over here. So you can see right and left hand side. For this I will tell you a formula. For the notion, first the notion I have to tell you, this is U inverted. Inverted means you can, the formulas are based on the clockwise and anti-clockwise motions. So like we know that clocks sweep, clock's needle moves like this, so just like clockwise, anti-clockwise. And this is the U means up. Up side is this, like this is down, this is front, it is back or bottom, this is right side, this is left side. So here is a up clockwise is like this, so clockwise, anti-clockwise, or U inverted. You can see U or U inverted, no problem. Just like here we can say R, like R. Here is a clock for R, R inverted. You can see it properly, R inverted. Here the left side, left is different, we have to bring like this, so L inverted. Face it is normal like this, face inverted, we cannot, this very simple thing. Down is down, you can make a clock over here like this, down inverted. You can see it is opposite of U, and R is opposite of L. And the last thing which I have to tell you, it is this formula. This is bottom we can make a clock like this, so bottom inverted. You can understand. Now there are two things, that is E, S, M. These are very high. The last three which I have tell you, it is not important to tell because it is occurs very less times. So move further. We have a piece like here, we have to place it over the left side. So formula is, you can write it, I will tell you. It is up inverted. You can say U, and you can make a apostrophe comma over there, so it is U apostrophe L apostrophe U L U F U apostrophe F apostrophe. If I have say something wrong, I can tell you again. This is U apostrophe L inverted. I can say, I will use the language now, inverted. U inverted L inverted U L U F U inverted F inverted. So you can see we have matched this piece and no color has been unsolved or shuffled. So the last piece, another piece, it is, in this case it is right side. Same, if we moving this, we will move like this. Opposite side, if we moving this piece to the right side, we have to move to the left side. You now note the formula for right hand side. It is U R U inverted R inverted U F U inverted F F. So you can see this piece has come with the correct position. And again I will tell you the formula, which is U R U inverted R inverted U inverted F inverted U F. See this positions, these two have been solved. Now for these two, now this we have to bring over here. For this is U inverted L inverted U L U F U inverted F inverted. Last piece, you can see that there is no orange and blue over here. It is the similar. We can don't use this formula again to bring this piece. You can do like this. You can remove this piece faster like this. You can do here like this. Now match this piece. Now you can see this, we have to bring this piece over here. The right hand side formula is U R U inverted R inverted U F U inverted F it. So I have do the second layer piece. Now move further for the mirror cube. If you see these pieces, it is a matching. We have to match these pieces like this. So first we will see these pieces whether matching or not with any piece of this. Like this, it is matching with it properly. Now we have to bring this piece either here or either there. Like this, we have to see if whether it is matching with it. No, it is not matching. You can see it properly. So we can see that this piece is over. We can try to match it. Yes, it is matching over here. So just like we have matched this piece over here to the left hand side, we can use the same formula. U inverted, L inverted, U, L, U, F, U inverted, F inverted. You can see we have solved the first block of the second layer. Now move further. Now there is no piece at the say top layer. We can place it at the second layer. So just like I have tell you that remove this piece over like this and match the last layer. Now we have get this piece. So we will check whether it is matching with it. No, it is not matching here. So it will match it over here. Yes, it is matching. So we will use holding like this. We will move this piece R, U, R, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted, face inverted, U, face, matched. Now we can move further. We will see whether it is, no, this is not, because it is matching over here. This piece should be this. Yes, it is matching here. Now we have to place it here because this is already solved area. Yes, we have to match it over here. So for this you have to use the left hand side formula, which is U inverted, L inverted, U, L, U, F, U inverted, F inverted. The last block, it is over here. We will remove the piece, match the corner, this piece to the right hand side. We will match it. Multiple times I have tell you the formula, so I have not place it over here. Now move further. There might be the two cases at the top layer and the same over here, like in the Rubik's cube over which I am holding. Here is the opposite side L, or we can say L like this, or we can say this structure is over here. We have to make up, just like we have made it a plus for white, we have to make a plus for yellow as well. But if we do the plus position like this, wait, I have tell you the formula. It is like this. You can see I have made it this piece round because I have to bring that from piece over the top. So like this, and here it is a line. If you want to bring the line, you can bring a line, but if you want to make the plus, you can make the plus. So for this formula, which I have used it over here, see the similar cases are there, line and line. For line I am telling now, this is F, U, no, not U, it is F, R, U, R inverted, U inverted, F. This is matched. Now similar we will do for here, keeping the line at the horizontal way. We use F, R, U, R, U inverted, and F inverted. We can see that we get a plus. Now we have to bring all the yellow colors at the top, and same here we have to bring we have to make a base in this case. So there you should see the video for solving the Rubik's cube. You will get the formulas over there. it will take so many time to tell you all the formulas. There are multiple of formulas out there, so I will, in this case I will tell you which formula we have to use. For this case, you can see the two yellow pieces are matching to the right side and two pieces which are matching to the left side. We it is no matching piece at the front and bottom. You can use the formula R, U, R inverted, U, R. You can do R inverted. No, it is U inverted, R inverted, U, R, U2, R inverted. I will tell you this formula again. R, U, R inverted, U, R, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted. I will do it again while creating a mess. See, this similar case is occurred again. We have to do R, U, R inverted, U, R, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted, R, U, R. Okay, now the final formula I will tell you again. Sorry for telling you the wrong formulas. This is R, U, R inverted, U, R, U inverted, R inverted, U, R, U2, R inverted. We have made it a top color, leaving this behind. We can do for this, we can see that there are two pieces over here and two are not matching. We have to make a base over here. So you can by keeping two pieces at the back, you can do R2, D, R, U2, R, D inverted, R inverted, U2, R inverted. So we have made it a base. Now the turn of solving the cube. Now we have to match the corners. Here also we have to match the corners. Okay, so you can see that if we get two corner pieces matched, you can place it at this correct position. Now we have to match this. For this you have to use the formula, keeping the two matched pieces at the back side like this. We have to hold it from front. You can use R inverted, face. We can use R inverted, F, R inverted. The bottom I have told you, we can use it from either the bottom inverted or bottom. It will create the same upside down. So bottom, it is BB, where R, F inverted, R inverted, bottom, R. Now U. Now you can see we have matched all the corners. In this case we will match like we have to place it. It is not compulsory that we will get the corners. If you don't get the corner at the first time, you use the formula again and you will get the two corners. Then you can use it again, it will match it. Now in this case we have matched two pieces of the corners. We will use the formula R inverted, F, R inverted, bottom, R, like this. Now you can see there is a formula we have to use to move these pieces like this. It is making a circular motion. We have to bring orange to the left side, orange, blue and green piece to be here. The red piece is matched already. So for this, holding the sort color at the back side, you can use formula from here. This L2 U inverted, L U inverted, L inverted U, L inverted U, L inverted U inverted, L inverted L. Here I will tell you the one formula. In this case I will tell you I have solved the Rubik's cube. So now the formula for this is to move this pieces to right side, this piece to right, this piece to right, and this piece to the skipping, while we can see that we have solved the last. So for this we will use R2 U, R U, R inverted, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted, R inverted, U, R inverted. So these are the big formulas we have to use. So if you get another positions, you can do it multiple times to solve the cube. Here I am giving some examples, solving examples for Rubik's cube at the faster way. So I have properly shuffled. So I am shuffling this properly, like this. I have shuffled it. Now I will take a time to see. Okay, ready. 1 2 3 start. Now this is to be matched over here. This piece. As I don't use this formula to solve the cube, I use the faster formula. Here I am solving the cube for you, that is why I am using this formula to solve. You can see it that I am matching these pieces like we have made it a plus over like this solve. It is taking time because I don't use this formula for solving the cube. Now I will shuffle it and tell you how to solve it properly. Here like this. Now we will make a plus for this case. My dear friends, there are many formulas for solving the same cube with many of the using formulas. So don't worry if you get another formula for solving this cube. It is continue with it like this. I have solved the first color. Now I will match it. Like this, the last formula we have to use it to match this. So like this, you can see it. I have used this formulas to solve both the cubes. If you know any other formula, it is I am saying again, you can use it. But please never give up while solving the cube. It is very nice and it creates a big impression between the friends or your classmates or any relatives, etc. But you should know.